Greetings everyone. Today I'm here to present the implementation video of an app named PuzzleMaster Puzzle Solving Assistant, which we created as our mini project. My name is Aniket Mahule. My groupmates are Harsh Jain and Rida Fatima. This project was made under the guidance of Animesh Tayal sir. The problem statement for our project is the app aims to help a common man to solve the cube without having to learn complex algorithms or techniques and spending days practicing those. Now the introduction part. Basically what our app does is allow a common person to solve the Rubik's Cube in a real quick way. All they have to do is scan their cube and get the results. Though we would recommend to calibrate the color palette of the app according to the cube for greater accuracy. When the user is done scanning, the app guides the user through a series of easy steps on following which the user can solve their cube in the minimum number of moves possible. The technologies we used are Flutter for the front end of our app, Python and Flask for the backend framework, and we used libraries like NumPy and OpenCV for detecting the cube and finding out the colors on each side of the cube. Our app has three modules: Calibrate, Scanning and Solving, and lastly Output Demonstration. The Calibrate module allows the user to calibrate colors on each side of the cube and helps the app to generate a color palette specific to the user's cube. The Scanning and Solving module takes care of image detection, detecting the colors on the face of the cube, and ultimately solving the cube from the scanned data. The Output Demonstration module displays the output to the user in the form of sets of moves which the user can follow to reach the desired solution. Now, onto the extension video of our app. This is the home screen of our app. It gives the user three options to proceed with: Calibrate, Scan Cube, and Reset. The reset button is there in case the user gets any kind of server errors or any other kind of errors while using the app. The Pressing the reset button can help the user get rid of those errors and get a smooth experience out of the app. The Calibrate button takes the user to the Calibrate screen, which allows the user to calibrate the color palette of the app according to the specific cube. As each cube has a slightly varying color scheme, the calibrating the colors of the app of the cube can help increase the accuracy of the app greatly. Here you can see the user is taking a photo and saving the colors from the cube one by one. Here the user takes a photo of the cube and then the user saves the colors from the cube one by one in the particular order. When the user is done saving all the colors one by one, they press the done button, on pressing which the user is taken to the scan screen, which is basically the second option on our main menu. The scan screen allows users to scan all six sides of the cube by taking pictures of the given side in the particular order. The user scans the sides in the order of up, left, front, right, back, and the bottom. The user scans the sites one by one. The app on scanning the On successful scanning, the app gives the user a digital preview of the colors on each side, and then the user can save those colors. Or if the user is not satisfied with the colors, if they're satisfied with the colors they are seeing on the screen, they can try again and get better colors as well. After scanning all six sides of the cube, the user can press the solve button to get the solution of the cube. On pressing the solve button, the user will be taken to the solve screen, which shows the initial wave first on how the user has to hold the cube, and then it displays the solution in step by step to the last in the form of images. And once the user follows all these steps one by one, the user gets the solution of the cube. The app basically solves the cube in an average of around 20 moves. The future scope of our app is that we can expand our app to allow solving of cubes of different sizes like 2 into 2 and 4 into 4 etc. and different shapes as well like pyramid or mega sphinx. We can add functionality for manual input in case the image detection is not working properly, and we can also demonstrate the output in a 3D form like a 3D model to the user. Thank you.